We already did it last time, that volume of a cone is nothing but 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r square h. So when we were talking, we said, that is day before yesterday's session, we did that. That means 3 cones can be fitted into a cylinder. Now, instead of doing cutting and pasting into the cylinder and all, we can easily take up this activity, in which there's a hollow cone and a hollow cylinder. Now, both of them, can you see, have the same height h. And for the both of them, the surface radius is r. Fine with that? Now, yes, Abhiraj, why have you raised your hand?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Let me start the class, please.
Ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, today we are doing surface area of a sphere, no?
No, we are doing volumes of a cone.
Oh, okay.
Last time we did surface area of a cone. So now that's how we are doing. Okay, Abhiraj?
Oh, okay.
Fine. So here both the heights are the same, radiuses of the base are the same. If you see that you pour in water, fill in water into the cone and keep on pouring, you will see 3 times you have to fill in the cylinder. So 3 times of cone's volume will be equal to the volume of the cylinder. This is a very, very easy thing which can be done by anybody. Okay with that? So moving ahead, this is the formula that we are going to use, 1/3 pi r square h. As usual, I'm going to hide the screen and you will start working on this. Start with this. Everybody, start with this. Start. Chalo. Can you see the screen?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, but we can't see the question properly.
Ma'am, the question is not clear.
Yeah, is it okay now? The height,
yes, ma'am.
I'm reading it out also. The height and the slant height, why is this coming up again and again? The height and the slant height of a cone are, just write in short, h is equal to 21, L is equal to 28. Give me the volume. So when h and L are given, you can find out something.
Yes.
Sorry?
Radius.
Radius, yes. Do it. Use Pythagoras theorem, find the radius. The diagram is here itself. You can see the diagram also. So give me the value of r plus. First give it to me. Somebody needs to mute yourself. If I see somebody not muted, I cannot work like this. What is R? Root over 20.
R is 7 root 7.
Root 7. So you have done root over 28 square minus 21 square. Children, how will you do 28 square minus 21 square? Can you use identity a square minus b square? So it is 28 plus 21 into 28 minus 21. Can we do like that? So that is 28 minus 21 is 7. So 7 multiplied by, what is 28 plus 21? 49. So 7 into 49, root over 7 into 49. So that is 7 cube. We can have it as root over 7. Perfect. 7 root over 7. Fine. Use the identity. Don't unnecessarily do donkey's job, that is 28 into 28 and then 21 into 21 and then find the answer. You're now in high school. So try to work smartly. Fine. So here goes your value of R. Now put it into the volume of a cone. That's 1/3 pi r square h. And give me the answer.
Ma'am?
Yes.
The volume is 7,546 centimeters cube.
Yes, 7,546 centimeter cube. Done, all of you? Shall I proceed to the next slide? 1 second.
1 second.
Yeah, that's fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Who's that?
It's me, Siddharth.
Very good morning to you. Very good.
I'm getting a little late.
No problems. Carry on. No problems. No problem. This is the first question that we are doing. So carry on, please.
Ma'am, can you move the black thing?
Is it okay?
Ma'am, can you move the black thing? Thank you, ma'am.
Where is the black? I can't see any black. Anyhow, chalo. Going ahead to the next example. Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? You have been signed out because you're currently signed in another device. Can you all see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is this screen coming anyhow? You can see me, right? This is on. Sharing of the screen is on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Proceeding to the next slide. Again, hiding it as it is. Now, these type of sums we have done a lot. So now try to understand it. Monica has a piece of canvas whose area is 551 meters square. Already she has got it with her. Somebody again unmuted, please. I'm warning this.
It says his name is Sexy Lady.
I'll just check it out. I'll just check it out. Hold on a minute. Okay, you people just proceed. Till then, I'll move ahead. Okay, I'm muting you. You start working on this. All of you can see it. Start working on this.
Ma'am, actually, it's not clear for me. I can't read it actually.
Better, that depends on your this screen clarity.
Now it's good, ma'am.
So wait for some time. That's what. Sonal, somebody is continuously disturbing in grade 9th. Somebody with different names. Yeah, some child with different name is coming in and all hopeless names and continuously putting on TV, loud nonsense talks at the background. Please, somebody has to come. Yeah. No, I cannot. I'm not able to click a picture. My sharing of screen is on. I'm continuously muting. The child is. Please, yeah, please. This happened in the Hindi class also, children were saying. Chalo. I'll put down the phone, right? Okay with it, children? Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, continue.
Reshma, I am here. I've taken pics.
Yeah. Sonal?
No, it's Kavita here.
Oh, thank you. Please be for some time here.
I'm here. Actually,
Yeah,
I've been trying to take attendance since morning, and all the sessions I'm doing this now.
Okay, please, because somebody is there.
Yeah, I've seen.
And you have seen now continuously with rubbish names the person is entering.
And I've seen the names. I've clicked pics of that.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Please be there. Okay, children, are we done? Shall I now?
Yes, ma'am. Is the
Go ahead.
answer 1,232 meter cube?
Hold a minute. Did you work out like this? Now, the area of the canvas given to us is 551 meters square. And the area of the wastage is already given to us as 1 meter square. So how much do we get in hand? 550 meters square. Yes. So that is actually nothing but the surface area of the tent. So this is given to us. The base that's required is given to us. Now they are asking us to find the volume of the tent that can be made with that. Now, one thing that we should keep in mind that whenever we are talking about canvas or tarpaulin or any type of cloth, we know that the base of the tent cannot be covered, right? So it will be always, it will be not the total surface area, but the area of the canvas. So don't go wrong there, fine? So now moving ahead here. So what was the answer you said, child?
1,232 meter cube.
Perfect, perfect with that. Others, please wind up this question.
Ma'am, can you once go to the previous slide?
Reshma,
Yes.
please
Yes.
make me the co-host so that I can.
I'll do it right now. I'll do it
Yeah.
right now. Right now. I've gone to the previous slide. Please wind it up. Have you entered with class 9? Kavita? Kavita? Somebody is there, class 9 co-host is there
Yeah,
already?
yeah. Done. Done. It's done.
Fine, chal. Okay, I'm muting again, everybody.
Okay, ma'am, you can go to the next one.
Yeah, I'll go to the next one. Yeah. Okay, done. Wind it up. Let's go to now the exercise. Put the heading as exercise 13.7. Hopefully everybody has put down the date very properly today. These are all your fair classworks, all classwork notes. Shall I proceed to exercise 13.7?
Yes, ma'am.
Mom.
Yeah, who said ma'am? Ready? Chal, start. Again, I'm covering the work. So here we go. Chal. Find the volume of the right circular cone with radius given as 6 and height as 7. Come on, faster. Always.
13 point.
Sorry?
Ma'am, this is
13. 264.
It is 13.7. Who's this asking me? Veer Danvi? Soham, whoever it is. I've just the previous slide I showed you in bold. It is exercise 13.7. Somebody has again unmuted
the first one is 264.
64 centimeters.
Somebody has again unmuted. Please mute yourself. Yeah, what's the answer? 264. Done.
264.
Perfect. Now, what is the easiest thing in this step of a sum? Always pi is 22 upon 7. So what happens is the 7 and 7 get cancelled off, and 3 and 6, of course. So directly you can get the answer very fast. Same way, the radius is 3.5 and height is 12. Give me the answer fast. Now radius is 3.5. 3.5 can be written as 35 upon 10. So that spares a lot of your time and effort.
Ma'am, the second one.
Ma'am, 154.
154.
Yeah, 154.
154.
Done. Perfect with it. Wonderful.
That is what one. So we are not asking here, but it is mandatory to go back to
Sanjana, Uditi, Jia, why don't you mute yourself? Siddharth.
Ma'am,
Huh?
are we going to do the second question?
We are going ahead to question number 3. Start working on that. The height of the cone is given to us as 15 centimeter. Volume is given as 1570. You have to find the radius. Be careful, here pi is given as 3.14. If you don't use the value of pi as 3.14, the marks might be put as only half or might be cancelled off also. So when given the value of pi, you have to consider it.
cancel
Ma'am, R is 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter. Yes, it is. Others wind up faster. We'll go to question number 5 now. I think that's what is in store for us. The 5th one. Yes. All those who have finished the 3rd one can move to the 5th one.
Please show the 5th one.
Wait a minute, child. Let everybody has finished the 3rd one. Or you're doing it on your own, then you do it on your own. Till then, I'll show the 5th one to the children. All those who can start working with the 5th one,
Ma'am,
start.
the part of the question is cut off.
Which one? 5th one? This is the question.
No, the second line is cut off of the
No,
question.
no, it is not the second line. It is not the second line. I have.
Okay, fair. Yeah.
This is the question. A conical pit, you know, conical pit under the ground of top diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meters deep. Now, what is its capacity in kiloliters? First, give me the answer in meter cube. Anybody who could not finish off the question number 3? Is there somebody who could not finish?
Me.
Shall I? Who is me? Can you name yourself?
Ma'am, me, Abhiraj.
I'll go back to that question. Hold a minute. Finish it off.
Okay.
Ma'am, the 5th answer is 38.5 meter cube.
Just a minute. Abhiraj, are you done with the 3rd one?
Almost.
Chalo faster.
Yeah, ma'am, done.
Done? Now I'm moving ahead to the 5th one. Yes. Yes, somebody said it is 38.5.
Yeah.
So that is nothing but 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliters. Please write it down somewhere very properly. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliters. So the answer remains the same. Done? Shall I proceed to the next one? Yes, surely. Now, try to understand it. A heap of wheat. Wheat means they have taken it, it's all done and they have taken it out from the field. So they are storing it. Okay. So normally they store it. They store it. 7th you will do.
You should go to the 7th one, right?
No, I have not taken the 7th one because it's very easy. Fine. So it's kept in the form of a heap. So a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meters and the height is 3 meters. Find its volume. Give me the volume, children, first. Oh, 7th one is there. Oh, you do the 9th one. I'll go back to the 7th one. That's okay. It's very easy. I thought of not doing it with you. Anyhow, do the 9th one, then we'll go to the 7th. Give me the volume of the heap.
Mom, the volume is 86.6.
86.62.
86.625.
625.
Who has got calculator? I hope nobody has got calculator with yourself. Because you're going to 3rd place of decimals also so fast. It is awesome job. Actually, it is awesome job. So see to it that you don't have the surely your computers also have calculators. Please avoid using all this. Okay, fine. So the volume of the heap is given. Now, the heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas now used. So how are you going to cover it? What are you supposed to calculate from here?
Curved surface area. Curved surface area.
Curved, yes, not the total, but the curved surface area. Now go ahead and find the curved surface area. Yeah, give me the answer. What is the curved surface area of the canvas? What is the formula?
99.825.
It is 99.825. Check your calculation. So we have it as pi RL. So L is what we needed to find out. So H and R is given to us. So your L is 6.05 centimeter. So area of the canvas required is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. That's 99.825. Done with it? Shall I go to the 7? Sorry?
It is 99.825.
Yes, it is. So I'll go back to the slide number 7, which you have. Yes, do this. Do this. This is very easy, so I thought of just a right triangle. Right triangle means what?
Right angle triangle.
Yes, a right angle triangle ABC with sides 5, 12, and 13. So amongst this, which should be the hypotenuse?
13.
13.
Everybody knows. Perfect. Is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. It's revolved. Okay. So when a triangle, right
So
triangle is
13 is
revolved. So what do you get then? You get a
13
5
cone.
centimeters is the radius.
You get.
Yeah.
What is the radius?
5 centimeters.
5 is the radius. Yes, yes.
Because it's below. Yeah.
5 is the radius.
Yes,
Right, 12.
perfect.
Is the length.
There goes
5
the
is the
logic.
radius and 13 is the
Slant height.
13
Slant height.
is the
Perfect.
Yeah.
And what is 12 then?
the height.
Height.
Wonderful, wonderful. So here goes the logic. Do it. Give me the volume.
Ma'am, 100 pi.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's 100 pi.
100 pi.
100 pi
100
centimeter
pi.
cube. Okay with that? So this is what you need to write. Height H is 12. Radius R is 5. Slant height L is 13. So the volume is 100 pi. Wind it up.
Ma'am, why didn't we use pi as 22/7 over here and just as the variable?
Nothing. That this is how the answer was given in your textbook. You can always use it. Actually, you have to use it. Take it as 22/7 and give me the complete answer. This is the answer that's given in your textbook. But you have to actually into 22/7.
3.1428.
304.
3.14.28.
314.28.
Yeah, 314.
Yeah, somebody is talking. Who is it?
Ma'am, can we quote the 100 pi? Is it okay?
Sorry? I can't hear you. Okay, we are done with this part. Shall I proceed now? Who is this entered? Fine. Okay. Sanjana, what is it, dear? Sanjana, I can't hear you. Take the mic near to your mouth. Sanjana, I can't hear you. Okay. So we proceed from here. What is this? Shreya. 77.
Okay.
Who is it? Can't hear
switch
you.
off my video because
That is okay. That is perfectly okay. Not an issue. It's perfectly okay. Are you there with us? You can see the screen, right? That's perfectly okay. Now we are completed with the volume of a cone also. So what we are going to do the next session would be spheres and hemispheres. But as usual, let's start a bit on this because again, it is very simple based on formulas. Now, as you know, sphere is nothing but like a circle, the 3D look out on that, having the same radius r. It can be divided into two equal semicircles if it's cut across the diameter. So they are known as hemispheres. So what is the surface area first? Everybody put the heading as surface area of a sphere. All of you put the heading as surface area of a sphere. So surface area of a sphere is nothing but 4 pi r square. You can call it a surface area or the total surface area. It is the same when we are talking with respect to a sphere. Now, when we talk about surface areas of hemisphere, imagine that you have cut off here. Whenever we are talking about sphere or a hemisphere, we are talking about a solid sphere or a solid hemisphere. For example, you can, if you have got a watermelon or something like that and you are cutting it off. So you get a surface area. You get a hemisphere. Now, what is the total surface area of a hemisphere? It is nothing but, it is not, just a minute. Okay, fine. Total surface area of a hemisphere is nothing but, what is it? The base part, that is 2 pi r square, and the flat top of it. So it is nothing but 3 pi r square. If you look at this diagram, if you look at this, now when we are looking at a complete sphere, we have it as 4 pi r square. So when you cut it out, surely this curved surface area is nothing but 2 pi r square. But remember that hemisphere is also, it's, as I said, it's like a watermelon cut into two halves. It has got this base also there. So this base has an area of a circle, that is pi r square. So the complete or the total surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, making it as 3 pi r square. Are we clear about this, children? That is why the total surface area of a hemisphere is given as 3 pi r square. And only the curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay with that? All of you, are you
Yes,
taking
ma'am.
the formulas?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now proceeding, let's do some examples on surface areas of spheres and hemispheres with all these formulas. That surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Are we all ready?
Yes.
Are we all ready? Okay. I'm going to cover the working for some time. Let me see how you work on that. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. What is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi
4
r
pi
square?
r square.
Yes. So pi is not given to us. So 22 upon 7. Chalo, give me the answer faster.
Ma'am, 88
Ma'am, 88
centimeter square.
88 centimeters square. What is the answer?
I'm 616 centimeter square.
How did you get 88 centimeters square?
It should be 88 into
Instead
7.
of doing pi
88
r
into
square,
7.
we just did into 7.
Okay. Perfect. Finish it off, please. Wind it up. All those who could not, please wind it up. Are we done? Shall I proceed to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
of you,
ma'am.
everybody out there? Very easy
Yes,
ones.
ma'am.
So proceeding again, now again hiding the solution. So here we go. Find the curved surface area and the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 21 centimeter. Here we don't need h and all. Do you see? Can somebody tell me what can be the height of a sphere? What can be the height of a sphere?
And the radius.
Oh,
The diameter.
the diameter. Yes, it's not the radius. It is the diameter, twice the radius. That's the height. Okay. Chalo, continue. So what is the curved surface area for a hemisphere? Only curved surface area, 2 pi r square. What is the total surface area for hemisphere? 3 pi r square. I want you all to work because calculation is a major thing in mathematics. So work it out and give me the answer faster.
Mom, the curved surface
Surface area is 2,772
centimeters square.
Faster doesn't mean you're using calculator, huh? Is it okay? 2772?
And
Okay.
the
Total surface area is 415.
Okay, so you're adding a pi r square to it. So it is 4158. Fine with it, all of you? Done? All those who could not finish it up, please bind it up. Till then, we'll go to the next question. Children, mute yourself. Okay, moving further. Again, I'm covering. So here it goes. Fine. Take down the question. The hollow sphere in which the circus motorcyclist performs his stunts. Have you ever seen performing stunt inside a hollow sphere? Have you seen? Might not have seen it right in front, but you might have seen movies or somewhere documentaries.
Yes.
You might have seen. Yeah. So they perform stunts in that. Has a diameter of 7 meters. Find the area available to the motorcyclist for riding. So what is the area here?
The total surface area.
Yes, the total surface area. That is 4 pi r square. Come on. Once you understand the sum, the working should be very fast.
Ma'am, it's 154.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 154 meters square.
Yes.
Okay, 154. Today we'll only go ahead to the examples. In the next session, we'll start with the exercise. You people have to go through this part also so that we can finish off the next part also fluently. Are we done? All those who are still
Yes,
waiting,
ma'am.
finish it off.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
only 2 have been done.
Who is it, please? Sanjana?
Okay, ma'am, because I was not there in the meeting. Yeah.
No, ma'am,
San-
The examples are done.
Sanjana, were you trying to enter with the name of Redmi or something?
No, ma'am, I was entering with my name, but then the internet connection got disconnected in between. That's why I could not join.
Okay, so I admitted you when you were in the waiting room, but then, okay, Redmi also was there. Fine with that. I saw somebody had raised hand. Who is it, dear? Nikita?
Ma'am, it was me, Abhiraj.
No, Nitika or Nikita, somebody. Abhiraj, yes, what is it?
I cleared my doubt that time. I got confused between TSA and CSA. I thought that was something else.
Are you clear now, Abhiraj? Are you clear? Please don't keep any bit of doubt in your mind, okay?
That is total surface area and the CSA is curved surface area.
Yes, CSA is curved surface area and TSA, T for tiger, TSA is total surface area, okay? Shall I go to the next slide, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, start. Again, hiding the work. Fine. Here is the diagram given in your textbook itself. A hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted. Where do we paint? Full thing, right? Inside, outside, where do we paint?
Outside.
Outside. These logics have to work very well. If the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 meter, circumference of the base is given. What is the formula for circumference?
2 pi
2 pi r.
2 pi r. From 2 pi r, what can we calculate?
Radius.
The r.
R.
The radius.
Now listen to me. Calculate r in the form of pi. Don't touch. Fine? Because afterwards, when we continue working, pi's will get cancelled off. Fine?
Sorry, ma'am, in the form of?
Pi. Leave it in the form of pi. So what will
Okay,
be the so what will be the radius? 17.6 divided by 2 pi. Right? Leave it in the form of pi. That's what I meant.
Ma'am, I can't see the video clearly. What is the circumference?
Yes, I'm again reading it out for you. If the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 meter, find the cost of painting it. Given the cost of painting is ₹5 per 100 centimeters square. There is again an alert, 100 centimeters square. You will get R in some meters. So continue. Circumference is this. So 17.6 is your 2 pi r. Take r as 17.6 divided by 2 pi. So now what is the curved surface area of a dome?
49.28 meters square.
Nanak, what is the formula you have used?
2 pi r square.
2 pi r.
Go ahead, 2 pi r square. Perfect, go ahead. So somebody give me the answer. 49.2. Perfect, perfect. Now give me the cost. Remember, cost is given as ₹5 per 100 centimeters square, okay? So it's better you convert meter square to centimeter square.
The total answer
The total cost of painting would be 24,640.
Perfect. 24640. Perfect. Done, all of you?
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Ma'am, in the question it says the cost of painting is ₹5 per 100 centimeters square.
That's why what I said, no? Either convert your curved surface area to centimeter square, or you convert this ₹5 per 100 centimeters square to meter square. That is why it is written cost of painting.